What's being tested is sometimes not apparent. Meaning, sometimes the test is something underlying whatever it is you think the test is. The test may not be, can you make enough money in order to do this? The test may actually instead be, how well can you cope when you do not quite have enough money to do this? Or, how well can you cope after there's no longer a chance to do this said thing because you couldn't make the money? Understand that life is layered and complex. Sometimes actually the win comes after when it's supposed to come. Sometimes you charm the crowd after a terrible show by the grace with which you exit. Do you see? But you need to keep your composure well enough that you can exit gracefully in order for that last minute change. And that's the essence of it. Sometimes the test is actually beyond the test. After you fail your test, how well can you cope? This is actually quite fairly often the test. If you look at a lot of, success stories of renowned people, you will find a lot of not quite doing super well in school, but also after not doing super well in school, not then losing their composure and saying, oh, my life is ruined. It becomes not doing well in school, figuring out what they do well in, and then doing that, or not doing well in school, and then using whatever they got from the experience to then become mighty in their realm. The point of the video is sometimes it's not obvious what the test is, and but one universal trait of each test is resilience, stubbornness, persistence. If you can keep going, right? And then lose and then keep going, and then try to make it go right after it's gone wrong, understand that that's mature effort, and that is composure. And this is one of the things that you'll need to have in life if you're going to make it anywhere stellar. Composure.